Hello YouTube, Michael here, Ellie's behind the camera, Bill Paying Hobbyists. Today we're going to do a little video on a rolling dog food bin. We have this one, we love it, it's nice and airtight, it keeps the food fresh and everything for them. It gets heavy for Ellie, so I want to put it on wheels for her so she can roll it around where she needs to. And we looked them up and they're anywhere from 16 to 100 bucks. So instead of spending the money, we're going to show you how we're going to make one out of pallet wood and an office chair. Let's get to it. First thing I need to do is take the wheels off my chair. We're all about saving money, but don't reuse your nails. Throw them away. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these the bottom. All right, so I cut all of these at 11 3/4 of an inch. The top ones are 3 inches and the bottom ones are 5 1/2. And I'm just gonna do like a pallet pattern like this. I'm gonna glue and nail it together. And I'm nailing to the top because this is thinner than the bottom piece of wood, so I'm nailing that way. So it's gonna be like that with the wheels on it. And, you know, gotta get rid of those corners. So that's all cut, ready to go. Just drop my nail gun on the ground. I'm just gonna take some 120 grit and hit it. And so we're gonna see how we're holding me. 27/64 just so happens that I have a 27/64 drill bit. Try a 7/16 and see what that does. Nope, that's perfect. So we'll go with 7/16 hole. We're going 2 3/4, 2 3/4. That's where we're gonna put our holes. All right, you may not have seen that, but I have a little bit of shellac left and I just used it and coated the top of it. She likes the way it looks, so I wanted to surprise her a little bit. Polyacrylic, water-based clear mat. All right, so I got both sides coated and now I'm gonna put the wheels on real quick. So we are all done. Moves around. I'm gonna test it. I don't even know that we need to secure it to this. I think it's just gonna stay on it. What do you think?
I think it's great.
She wants me to secure it to it.
That's also true.
Puppies are afraid of me now because I made loud noises. So if we go over the numbers, tools and supplies, I use my circular saw and a sander and a piece of sandpaper. $2, electricity maybe. The wood was free. Time and material took me an hour. The pallet was free. The wheels were free. My dad, I always bring up my dad. My dad actually found that chair. Somebody was throwing it out. Some store was throwing them out. He had like 15 of them. We got those and he makes these for planters. They make great rollers for planters. If you have big heavy pots, think about that. You make one of these and then you can put your pot on it and you can roll your pot around instead of having to pick it up and move it. And these little slats here, in case you get water, it helps keep it dry or helps dry it out so that it doesn't get mildew and all of that other stuff. So that's where this idea came from. And that's $0. So we spent $2 and a little bit of my time to make something that helps a lot by being able to move this heavy container around. And it brought it, another 3 1/2 inches up off the ground. And again, you buy these online, they're $15 to $100. And that does not include this kind of airtight container that we already had. We saved ourselves at least $13. So we'll let it dry, we'll get it in the house, and we'll be all done with it. Thanks for watching. You got something to say, Oliver? Come here. Oh, is that yours? Yeah, that's yours. That's mine. Oh, what else is mine? Something else is mine. I know, I can smell it. I can smell it. Logan, hey buddy. And there's the other shop dog. Yeah, is that yours too? It's gonna be here in a couple months. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you have any ideas or better ways to make them, we always love to hear it. I always love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next one.